wait before you skip this, because I want to share something that's been on my mind lately, the gelatin trick and its incredible effects after just 30 days. Think about it, a simple daily ritual that can make a real difference in how you feel, and it all starts with this one trick. As people incorporate the gelatin trick into their lives, they begin to notice subtle yet significant changes, and that's what got me hooked. Researchers say that after 30 days of consistently using the gelatin trick, the body starts to wake up without that sluggish feeling, and energy levels become more balanced throughout the day. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, told me that she feels more grounded and her digestion has improved significantly. It's all about giving your body the right tools to thrive, and the gelatin trick is a great place to start. If you're curious about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, check out the link in my description below for more information. And don't forget to dive into the conversation in the pinned comment, where we're discussing our favorite ways to incorporate the gelatin trick into our lives. Take the first step towards a healthier you with the gelatin trick, and let's see where this journey takes us.